Welcome to my video on real estate investing for cash flow. It's critical to your success. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. One of the best investments an investor can ever make is to buy property. This is because real estate is a much safer investment that offers guaranteed returns. When the owner wants to cash out, there is always a ready market and prices are always on the rise, so investors can be assured of selling at a higher price and making a neat profit. Real estate can also generate a regular income, which makes it the ultimate investment because of its income generating ability, safety, and ability to increase the value of a portfolio. Cash flow, as the name suggests, is the flow of money into and out of a company. If you are a real estate investor, income can come in two ways. The first is property sales, while the second is property lease or rental. If you're interested in real estate investing for cash flow, you need to learn about the two income sources for real estate investors. Rental income. As an investor, you can decide to buy or build residential properties, commercial properties, or industrial properties for rent. Since prime land is limited, the demand for these properties is incredibly high. And you can hire a property management company to help you manage these rental properties once they are ready to be occupied. Some of the expenses to worry about include landscape maintenance, cleaning and lighting of common places, such as corridors and parking lots, regular painting of the property, security, and taxes. Property sales. There are many people out there who want to buy real estate, as well as others who are looking to sell. You'll also find new developments, ordinary homes, and run-down properties. There are also probate properties, foreclosure properties, and short sale properties, among others. Knowing how to legally acquire these properties and dispose of them can help you generate a decent income. Imagine buying a short sale property at half price and selling it at the current market value. This will give you almost 100% profit. Some run-down properties can also be repaired at a low cost and sold at a premium. It takes time to become the best real estate investor, but due diligence can assure you of making huge profits time and again. Real estate lawyers can draft the necessary lease or sale agreements, as well as carry out background checks on the properties in question. This will help you to avoid any problems in the future. Look out for the next video in the series, Real Estate Investing Benefits. Do they outweigh the risks? To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.